Hi guys, welcome back for another removal video. Here I have a Volvo V60 from 2019. To remove the rear door panel you will need a 7mm socket and a Torx T25. Take a plastic removal tool and start with this corner. You have a metal tab and you need to push it, and after that the trim goes underneath the door panel. Here are the screws, 7mm, and you will have one underneath the door handle. On other door panels, now you'll have clips, not for Volvo. You just simply pull the door up and it came out right away. For the cables, you'll have a push and pull. Now to remove the cable for the locking mechanism, just go on the exterior, pry these white tabs. Here is how everything looks on the inside. And that's it guys, this is how you remove your door panel out of a Volvo V60. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time with another removal video.